top stories. Indo-Myanmar border dispute remains unexplained. Large chunk of Manipur's land ceded to Myanmar. NEIDP candidate R.K. Anand says national political parties not trustworthy. And independent candidate R.K. Somarendra says Congress indulging in cheap politics. Hello, good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. It's me, HARIPRIYA, presenting today's news, and now let's have the news in detail. The Indo-Myanmar border dispute remains explained despite efforts made by various sections in Manipur. A large chunk of land belonging to the Manipur sector of Indo-Myanmar borders has reportedly gone to the neighboring country. Location of pillar number 76 has been found being shifted to somewhere near the Iron Bridge Gate number 1. Not only these, all pillars number from 76 to 99 have been wrongly re-erected, resulting in the loss of a large chunk of land on the Manipur sector. In this regard, a press meet was held at the Amalfa Enterprises Conference Hall, Kaisampat, Imphal, organized by the Cabo Belly Memorial Charitable Trust. Advisor of the trust, Dr. Thiam Suren, mentioned that the issue has already been brought to the notice of the Ministry of External Affairs, which has responded accordingly.
Adubu siga adu tawdi mamang amasing matungdadi Manipur ki boundary 1000 square kilometer mange si proof neba proof 1 2 doi hajage 1 ji krai delay first ta akoi hoji mau Nagaland ki mau get leidana sidagi half kilometer chala jakhama sidai koi ki TB senatorium ma koi Manipur government ki lerame 1980 90 maya do lerame koi jappa matamda koi doctor ga posting taw lerame ko si lamji sawar do pithokre kamai tung pithokre no khang de adu muhut krai lei leiti proof ni yaraba. Second, Mori say, usually Mori say, 1975 to 1975, MO is as well me. My arms of 1990, somewhere 94 5 of the older Ramgani. Tongsi Mori, Tongsi, Tankai Tankai Lang Tongatongan, Sangaler, because Tong Lichico. I look at Chalibal Lambido, Napalong di Chalibal Lambido. Sisu Koyoram. Proof Nicosia, Sisu, Moen Losanka.
The ministry in its reply stated that the international boundary has been settled and that there is no any dispute arising around of the border. It also maintained that all border pillars were erected after being surveyed by a joint team of Survey Department of India and Myanmar, apart from the 1967 agreement signed between the two neighboring countries. Notwithstanding the official claim, a large land area of Manipur measuring about 1,000 square kilometers has been ceded to Myanmar, said Dr. Thiam Suren. Considering the seriousness of the issue, the Cabo Belly Charitable Trust is all prepared to file a public interest litigation PIL in the High Court of Manipur over the loss of land, he said. Suren also termed as illegal the act of ceding Manipur's Cabo Belly to Myanmar by former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru back in 1953.
Sikili the temporary boundary and according to the report of Jerisida 1,000 square miles the Koisu Mange. Mangi the Kaida Mange. Akona Ujuji Kuinaga to get Sangata Talapati Canada to Rusida, quite a Kandamayam, Sibusa Tamayano, Kandani Liberi, Yampajava, Python, the Demangani. Adubu Sigadu to Dimamang, Amasing Matungdadi, Manipuri boundary 1000 square kilometer Mangesi, proof never.
The Northeast India Development Party NEIDP nominee for Lok Sabha polls to Inner Manipur parliamentary seat, R.K. Anand has taken a swipe at Manipur political leaders' alleged inability to act on key issues unless the national leadership makes a gesture. He said such a political slant hinders fulfilling people's aspiration. A flag hoisting program in connection with the polls was held at his Kwakathil Akamlekai residence today, organized by NEIDP Election Committee 21 Nauria Pakhang Lakpa Assembly Constituency. Talking to journalists on the sidelines, R.K. Anand also alleged that the state leaders cannot act on people's wishes. NEIDP Manipur Unit Chairman and Samarjit President Dr. N.G. Bijoy, Vice President O. Malays, former MLAs S. Kunjakishore, Dr. L. Ibohanbi, K. Sarat and E. Chan were present at the event. The NEIDP candidate R.K. Anand said key issues facing the state have left unresolved for the long since the state political leaders do not have freedom to act on.
The more decision lokshe consider no daily leadership namasi yadi koi na kanna taruka na mo koi ni yadi yadaw me am singsim maru maruga koi lo na muchin mele koi khong hut punjali NEIDP amadi like-minded party me am singsina north east le ba koi regional parties me am se pulaga koi political rights kida economic rights kida social rights kida koi rights for existence na hai tare si kida koi fight over change sida ngasi Combined on the MP with weapons Lucky Brian and Lucky Vanessa straight times again.
A large number of people from different constituencies attended the program. On the occasion, NEIDP Chairman and Samarjit called on electorate to give vote for NEIDP in the Lok Sabha polls. The Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency goes to polls on April 12 in the second phase. Samarjit underlined the need to strengthen regionalism to ensure all-round development.
Magi serial number na akhoi marini aduga symbol na akhoi chaisu ni masida mayam gi maman yam laba sovereign rights ing ado madu sinabiduna da parliamenta magi tongan ba akhoi gi chakhu thorangi oina north east gi oina amadi manipur gi oina law sembada amadi Ladiba Huzi Equator Huzi Yamna political contradiction Moena, apprehension Ladiba Dugumbo, Mayam Singasi, Masibu Ting Bada, Adugumlaba, Mayamgi Oiba, Magi Apam Baduda, Junction Mangam, Nanabagitamokta, Togjaladu, Pinabu.
NEIDP Manipur State President Dr. N.G. Bijoy during the event sought both for party candidate R.K. Anand and stress on inclusive development by promoting regionalism.
Political parties in Sina, Sidarakpa, Aduga Makogi, Manung Dazu, within the party also in fight Mayam Lerak Pasina, Madugi Kudong Sabadu, definitely Ekogi, NIDP na, Ekogi regional party Moina, Yam the Kudong Saba Fangi, Haizabatai, Aduga Madugi Kudong Sabaduna, Ekoida, Achoba boost Amatorga, and the Laiba election Nasisu, Ekogi, Achoba Mai Papa. Rashtriya
Janahit Sangharsh Party RJSP today released its manifesto at the Khuyathong residence of party candidate for inner seat, Sanjam Nandeshwar Singh. Party Vice President Rosen Oinam and others attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Nandeshwar said the party manifesto promises to fight against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 and work for introduction of Inner Line Permit System ILPS in the state, beside bringing a solution to the Manipur border issue and removing Armed Forces Special Power Act from the state. He assured, if voted to power in the Lok Sabha election, the party will solve all the issues mentioned in the manifesto within the months.
Tasino Mayamze issue Mayam, when Hajarabis is Izerbi Mayamze, Namgani Kala 100% Namgani Kala Masila Queen of Pongzerabani. I don't know Maya Sigi Preski through the Akoi Leva, Akoi Pazamayam, Akoi Inner Manipurgi, Miam, the Pausensi Pizeri. Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 Manipur, Northeast Sana Loy. Ademasi akoy yellow migi saktam kanba adi culture identity ngakpa kalwaina na citizenship amendment si laga akoy hanagi lairiba indigenous citizen maiteron da akoy yellow mi haibagi mang bayabai mong si laiheloi citizenship si totally
A flag hosting ceremony of inner seat independent candidate in the upcoming 17th Lok Sabha election, R.K. Somarendra alias Kaiku, was held at his residence at Thangmaiban, Maishnam today. Kaiku accused the Congress of indulging in cheap politics. An apparently angry Kaiku attacked the Congress over the party's claim that he has been backed by the BJP in the polls. He urged upon political parties to work for the people for a better society.
Ngasi flag hosting sina agi punsida lembirik lebi mayam yaw lembirik le mayam bosam nungai phonuk chari aduga yam nungai jadaba ngasi khabar ain tajabada akhoi Amin Shah ex-MLA mana sandupiba akhoi Kaiku je BJP na thadrok pani haibe pot ama tawri je suguma political yam cheap oiba han MLA ju ene mentai aduguma politics tawning de tasena vote kage poge habdi praja khutta le aduga vote tawge tari thabak taw thabak fa taw praja gi thabak taw praja thajanam thabak taw sugumba ko phataba sugumba oida pada propaganda sandoga vote tawgunu aduna kanab jileroi praja hena saurakani. Congress party, I'm saying it once again, please don't spread such rumors about me. She is how we can hang Hajadavani, Handek to Viriba cover, Yauri, smiling Ang Eva, she am Pasado Point to Vigano, Yam Lim about Community Durige, Osmana Hajinaga, Pakan, both Community Tonrisi, Nuja Pamato, Nuja Panabato, public to Yana Salo, even any parties and Hagi, even BJP, Partinia, public Yana Salo. Kana de me among Hundang Rose, somebody Levaxican about some minutes here, I independent totally. I just want to say, you want to be public settles, no Sugumba propaganda, politics, Tozi, Matam Hele, Adu Matam Jukto, Matam Loikravani, Adu 1942 Warini, Ozik, Ano Juklavani, propaganda, Toga, Bodkabi, Wakan Tuasi, Lebaka Sibatosi, Public Unaga Sibato view, Panabato view, Lebaka Panakan view, me who Lewang with Tabak Virano. Long live Manipur. Thank you very much.
Later, a public meeting was held at Thangmaiban Athletic Thao Ground, which was attended by a large number of his supporters. And now let's have a short break, so stay with us.
Advanced Coaching Institute, Nagamapal, Lamabam Laikai, near Rims Road, opposite Koirenge Auto Parking. Science stream, the Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur and Loba, Class 12 ki Parikha, 3rd position, Yumnam Devjit, 9th position, Akoijam Badal Singh, 9th position, Konika Nomaitem, 10th position, Asem Korunganba, 10th position, Laistam Imoba Maitei, 15th position, Haubam Arvind Singh, Amadi, 17th position, the Sagolsem Biki Singh Ne. Arts stream da Aniswa position Takraba Takhil Sangbam Sunaya Devi, 3rd position Yangkhom Gunchenba, 4th position Texan James Singh, 5th position Moirangthem Loya Ngamba, 7th position SS Obed Kharam, 8th position Takhilamam Ores Maitei. Separated boys and girls hostel.
Located in the heart of Imphal city, Asian restaurant Hotel Yaifaba can even more brighten up your beautiful days. With best sizzler platters in the city, we have separate kitchens for veg and non-veg. Also offers you with chef specials on weekends. Enjoy your happy hours with our best services. Asian Restaurant, Hotel Yaifaba, MG Avenue, Imphal. For home delivery, kindly contact 9856 003956 or 9856 003957.
Well, this is true. No matter where we're at and how busy we were, we may not get the time to spend the whole day together, but a time always brings us together when we are dining, especially when gathered around such divinely crafted amenities.
Welcome back. The two Congress workers were injured in front of the Congress office, Khangabok Mayai Lekai, near polling station number 35/5, where a scuffle broke out between workers of Congress and BJP yesterday during polling. The injured person were K.H. Puspa Devi, age 18, daughter of Kunjeshwar, and Moirangthem Lembi Devi, age 19, daughter of late M. Pakasana, both from Khangabok Mayai Lekai. Puspa was referred to Caesar Hospital from Thoubal District Hospital for better treatment. She got head injury during the incident. Lembi, who also got injuries on the head and parts of her face, was later discharged from the hospital. Local MLA O. Suresh Kumar visited the injured person. Police have registered a case over the incident. Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee Manipur has expressed unhappiness over the cutting down of stones and trees from the hills of the different parts of Manipur for business purposes. While inspecting the hillside around Ikop Lake of Teng Tha Thambal of Thoubal district and the hillside of Wabagai, Thambal Ching and Lamyeng Ching by the members of WBCC, they found the places in a pathetic state. In Rumesh, Secretary General of WBCC said that they believe that loamy soils and stones from the Teng Tha Thambal hills are being dug out by some influential people. He said that if this practice continues, it will definitely have an adverse effect on the ecological balance. He said that it leads to soil erosion affecting the human settlement nearby. The further said that pine trees grown around Thambal Chingya and Lamyeng Ching were also found being cut down. As part of the inspection, the members of WBCC found electric equipment used for fishing at Ikop Lake. They also found 3 birds' nets and rescued 100 birds caught on the nets. Ramesh appealed to the authority concerned to look into the matter. The Lone United Bank of India UBI ATM booth of Jiribam branch in the district is failing to stack with cash on time, due to which people of Jiribam are facing hardships. Meanwhile, the people of Jiribam have demanded a branch of State Bank of India SBI to the open soon in district to facilitate easy money transaction. None from the concerned authorities are looking into the problem facing the UBI ATM. An employee of the bank, Lal Manipuyam of Jiribam, Langathil, told TomTV that the people in Jiribam are facing many issues as the district has only one ATM booth, and moreover, the ATM doesn't have cash all the time. There is no private agency working in Jiribam, so it's a big headache in withdrawing money from the bank. He appealed to the concerned authority to look into the matter at earliest. Nearly 548 individuals were verified and 21 others picked up for further verification during surprise cordon and search operation at Pauna Bazar area in Imphal City today. The operation was carried out from 7:40 am till 8:30 am under the supervision of Imphal West Additional Superintendent of Police Operation AG Sharma. Security has been tightened in Manipur in view of the upcoming second phase of Lok Sabha polls to be held in Inner Manipur parliamentary seat on April 18. And now let's have a short break, so stay with us.
Akaknaba matam khara khakki oina khudongchaba sing pizari khudongchaba sing adudi saving account hangbada chada lupa taruki interest pizagani fixed deposit amadi recurring deposit ki oina chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani daily deposit ki oina su chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani karigumba member singna business loan personal loan natraga mortgage loan lobiragadi sada lupa taragani pandagi lupa kungi apik pasendoi haibadi reducing rate ta loan lobi bayagani akaknaba matam khara khakki oiba khudong chaba sing asi lobiranaba member singda ningsingjari masiga loina na kanagumba member oidriba singna member oibinaba ekhoigi office ta lengsin birau amadi akupa marol sing tanabiu ekhoigi address lamjingbatomtv limited near Nityananda Mandir Nagamapal Rims Road Imphal West mobile 9366857001 email lamjingbatomtv@gmail.com website www.lamjingbatomtv.com. Nupa khaktabu sagai lepkani haiduna chakthukjana hinglibasingse mama amana pokpani mama do nupi ne habase karmal
nipa poksunati ipa numanga tawdana ari amada senting na bathabu
aibu nangi angang lawnaba thamba miro senaba ngamdragana nupi ni kai doino khongbandra kaino hudok chu kaino
piba amadi poktaba yadabane tawnariba mayam chi khangedana
nasigi government sidi afaba mibu oirdi sel kaisu tingdrasu yare sel piba lobagi haina bido loi muthakre
macha masugi ningba thunga loidoi oiradi kedo bokpiramino hatok
lema
yadro
nang tamo khakteni
nushi diye
phai nang ngasi digi ai amon uni di khallu
kadai chatoiba
Pakistan chalaga sosai bomber oiga sirage kaino idi nang pelo dida
nang honari do hanbalai tana dum honagadabane Kidoroge
nangi husiki wahaido karino khangdana thamoida pale
Lagliba Lok Sabha Mikhalda Adomgi Mamal Naidraba Vote Manghanbiganu Afawa Mirep Khanbiraga Matam Chana Lakpi Raga Vote Thadabiyo Laibag Sembada Saruk Yaminasi
Welcome back. The Election Commission has said that the 8 northeastern states of India that went for polling for 2019 Lok Sabha polls in the first phase yesterday recorded a good numbers of voters turnout. The Election Commission said that maximum voters turnout was in Tripura at 81.8%. Assam recorded 68% turnout. Manipur 78.2%, Sikkim 69%, Mizoram 60%, Nagaland 78%, Meghalaya 67.16% and Arunachal Pradesh 58%. In Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh, Lok Sabha and Assembly polls are being held simultaneously. The Election Commission officials said that 15 cases of EVM damage have been reported from Manipur, Bihar, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh. In what may be termed as an unfortunate incident, a polling official who has been identified as Tenak Shoshia died due to cardiac arrest while performing election duty in Tirap district of Arunachal Pradesh yesterday. Shoshia was the polling officer at the upper primary school polling station under Khonsa West Assembly seat. He died due to cardiac arrest while performing duty. Shoshia was a work inspector in the Water Resources Department. As per the laid-down rules, and commission would pay minimum ex gratia of Rs 15 lakhs to the next of kin of the deceased. Jet Airways has indefinitely suspended its flight to the eastern and northeastern region, according to reports. Sources said that as of yesterday, the airline was operational by only 14 planes, the number which has come down from 123 planes during its peak. The development reflects a rather bleak situation for the airline. According to sources, all Jet Airways operations in the eastern region are suspended. And effective today, there are no jet flights to and from Kolkata, Patna, Guwahati and other airports in the region. A number of flights scheduled to travel to and from several regions in east and northeastern India, which includes Mumbai to Kolkata, Kolkata, Guwahati, Dehradun to Guwahati via Kolkata, were cancelled yesterday and today. The flights were cancelled until further notice due to operational reasons. The airlines also mentioned that the refunds for the cancellation are being processed. In highly politically polarized West Bengal, where the ruling TMC has locked horns with the BJP, 3 issues that in National Register of Citizens, the Citizenship Amendment Bill and infiltration have taken center stage in the election campaign for the Lok Sabha polls. Employment generation, minority appeasement, corruption, TMC's role in forming the next government at the center, the veracity of airstrikes at Balakot have also emerged as major issues. BJP President Amit Shah has repeatedly stressed on introduction of NRC across India, especially in West Bengal, and implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Bill if voted to power again, while TMC Supremo and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has promised to oppose it tooth and nail. Julian Assange is expected to receive Australian consular assistance today after his arrest and removal from Ecuadorian embassy in Knightsbridge, London. Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison said Assange would not be given any special treatment, and the Foreign Affairs Minister Mary Sepane said any extradition was a matter between the United States and the United Kingdom. The WikiLeaks founder had his political asylum revoked and was forcibly taken out of the embassy by Metropolitan Police yesterday morning. Assange was found guilty of failing to surrender to the court and faces up to 12 months in a British prison. He was further arrested at the request of the US, which seeks his extradition over the allegation he conspired with former US military analyst Chelsea Manning to download classified databases in what the Justice Department called one of the largest compromises of classified information in the history of the United States. And now let's move to the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Voting in outer parliamentary constituency passes off peacefully. Poll percent back at 80. BJP committed to passing CAV in parliament, says Modi. BJP accepts NEIDP's challenge on CAB. The People's Chronicle. EVM glitches would capture slur. High turnout mark first phase. Kim Gangte holds would capture slur on BJP. Ivobi calls BJP nemesis of Manipur, hails Congress dates. Congress anti-people policies led to BJP government formation. The Morning Well. BJP rolls off sleeves for open debate on citizenship bill. Congress candidate urges ECI to register FIR against C Minister for violating poll code. BJP has always had conflict when in power, says Ivobi. Manipur High Court orders compensation to wives of fake encounter victims. Imphal Free Press. 80% voters turn out in outer, minor hiccups but no major trouble. 2 EVMs destroy in Chingai Assembly constituency. Giving vote to BJP is giving power to dictators, says Ivobi. People have entrusted power to BJP as they are fed up with Congress. BJP candidate threatens to commit suicide if CAV is implemented in Northeast. The BJP will win with landslide victories, says Radheshyam.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Indo-Myanmar border dispute remains unexplained. Large chunks of Manipurese lands ceded to Myanmar. NEIDP candidate R.K. Anand says national political party is not trustworthy. And independent candidate R.K. Somarendra says Congress indulging in cheap politics. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.